Hello, everybody. The last lesson of the module, systems of inequalities. Let's take a look at this. So I have the two inequalities, and we're going to do this one by hand, just because we have come to a moment of mastery. So the system is 2/3, y is less than or equal to 2/3 x plus 5. Okay, so let's come up with a good scale right here. 2/3 x plus 5, so y-intercept of 5, up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3, down 2 left 3, down 2 left 3. Okay, so this is, and it is less than or equals to. So this is my first inequality, all right, and it looks something like that. It is less than, so I can assume that I'm gonna shade somewhere around here, all right, meaning anywhere below the line, okay? And let's use a different color for my next one. It's 2x plus 5. So check it out, same y-intercept, at least we know where they intersect. If this were a system of equations, 0, 5 would be the solution. This is a system of inequalities though. So up to right 1, up to right 1, up to right 1. And this one, we're going to have to settle for a dotted line because it does not include an equals to, down to left 1, down to left 1, down to left 1. And there we go. Looks something like that. This is also y is less than, so I am also going to shade. And I'm going to use dots for this one, or sprinkles. And I am going to sprinkle anything beneath the line. All right, so that's the part beneath the line. And so basically my question is, what's the solution set? Well, the solution set is anywhere that is double shaded. In other words, anywhere where I have black squiggly marks and blue confetti, all right, which is here, which I'm going to label in red. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in red, that this part right here is the double shaded region. All right, which means at any point in that red region is a solution to both inequalities. So I'm going to pick a random one right here, and I'm going to go, let's go with a 0.55. 55 appears to be within the double shaded region, which means that if I evaluate both of these with the 0.55, both inequalities will be satisfied. So here we go. 5 is less than or equal to 2/3 times 5 plus 5. So is this right? 5 is less than or equal to 2/3 times 5 is 10/3. 10/3 plus 5. All right. So 10/3 plus 5. Okay. So that's really 3 1/3. So that I get 8 1/3. So is 5 less than 8.3 repeating? Yes, it is. All right. And next one, is 5 less than 2 times 5 plus 5? In other words, is 5 less than 2 times 5 is 10 plus 5 is 15. Is 5 less than 15? You betcha. It is. All right. In other words, 5 is a solution to both of these. It is included in the double shaded region. Okay. So that's fantastic. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check that the double shaded region, that I got it right, that I graphed my lines right. So there is the first one, and we had it shaded correctly. Here's the second one, which we shaded correctly as well. And as you can tell, when I clear my drawings, this guy is your double shaded area. In other words, any coordinate in this area is going to satisfy both. All right. This area will only satisfy one inequality. This area will satisfy only one inequality, and this one will not satisfy jack squat. It will not satisfy either of the inequalities. So that's a wrap. Hopefully you learned what it means for values to satisfy an inequality. In other words, to make the inequality true. Hopefully you learned now that the solution set is the double shaded region, and you can carefully graph these, whether they are in slope-intercept form or in standard form. Remember, if any inequalities are in standard form, you just want to take a couple of steps and put them back into slope-intercept form, and then you're done. All right, good. Have a good day.